Maybe just don't make noise, man. Sure.
Yeah, look at this. He's up here. I didn't know.
Spray down. Oh, sorry. I wasn't there. I'm watching the.
Satchel up mid.
Last player standing.
Am I right when I plant?
Let's go.
You're so good.
He's jump spotting.
Third in, man.
Stage hit 55 jump spotting.
Where are you yet? Well, to find it.
He's there. He's closer.
30 seconds is gonna be ambitious. Gonna have to flash through this.
30 seconds left.
Yeah.
Load us. We're not gonna win this. We're not gonna win.
I fucked back home.
Last player standing.
I'm nading when the fuck is that?
One down.
One enemy remaining. Spike
What are they
down.
doing?
That was a beautiful wall.
That's a B player. You wanna go B?
I can stage place B, but I'm down.
He's there. Bottom B. Bottom B. Yeah.
Eliminate.
Dogging.
Bring them down.
Pillar clear. Back out there.
Oh, I did not make that wall right. Yeah, 2 back home. I just peeked.
Last player standing.
Stage back hole.
I'm staying in cubby. I have the cross. If you have to get me.
One enemy remaining.
Top side.
Team Ace.
Hey, let me go first.
Sorry, man.
Well,
Oh, they're walled.
yeah, look at this. He's up here. I didn't know.
Maybe just don't make noise, man. Sure.
That shot was gross.
London. Nice. I have ults. I'm an ult right now. Ulting. All marked. No one can hear. Raise this ult, be careful.
Bring them down. Remove.
100 race.
They're left side.
No charges left.
There's only one holding his cross.
Player standing. One enemy remaining.
Your wall doesn't help us. Just like content creator.
It kind of is, yeah, Andrew. But I also do want to win this.
Different
So,
mentality, obviously.
well, of course, I could play to win and be the best player in the world, but I choose not to. I spare you guys, you know what I mean? Spare your jobs. I will art this time now.
That's
Circling back right.
One's coming for this way.
Stun back right.
Reloading. Bring them down.
Nade.
I'll spike it down.
Nice.
Spike down A.
Bomb there.
Sage unknown, Aster. We have bomb down, yeah. Both. We have spike, guys. One right, one left.
We have a nade, but
Just holding the lockout.
she left the.
Well divided.
Both there.
Well divided.
That's super art.
Wall raised.
One enemy remaining.
nice.
Good round, Grim. And you weren't kidding
you.
about turning it off and being the best, huh?
Bro, I'm telling you, bro, if I played Jet or Chamber like some of these f***s that play the game, I swear to God, I could be the best player. It's so easy! I'm just saying, listen. Put me on any other agent, like Jet or Chamber, I actually take people's jobs. I swear.
Enemy mid. You fought well.
That's a wall.
Any enemies A.
Hopefully they overheat.
60 on our
2.
back secret.
Don't be.
Nice.
Enemy with
Nice Sage.
Can't use this yet.
How much you want to bet he's right side?
Like that or some shit.
Good for you.
Nice. Your duty is not for healing.
One enemy
Wait, what the?
remaining.
No, biggie.
That's gotta be karma or some shit.
We go right side.
Oh no.
You got it, we got it. Yes!
Good wall, bro.
Could be right there, huh?
Yeah, they're coming.
They're running through. Going through.
One enemy remaining. Flawless.
You may.
I just fell. I'm sad.
Oh, he's there.
Okay.
Wait, how much is he here for?
One shot.
Pass it up. Yes, sir. Close.
Flanking his age.
Oh my god, I should have kept spraying, bro. They would have headshot.
One enemy remaining.
Ooh!
Wait.
Get his ass age. Harbor, take bomb. Harbor, take bomb.
52 back side.
Oh, we go.
Harbor, he's right here.
Last player
I know,
standing.
104.
Spike down A.
Wait, what are we doing?
I don't know what to do now.
You have one shot. He's one shot.
I have this
Fight
fight.
him. Wait, how much is Faded hit for?
52.
Oh, they're both pretty weak.
Last 30 seconds left.
Light planted.
Yes.
One enemy
Return to
remaining.
dust.
He's lit.
Yes.
Four, go on.
Yes!
That's on me. That's completely on me.
Wait, how did I get flushed? This box actually just saved my life.
I need heal.
Yeah, I'll heal you.
Hey, we all got 1,000 hours plus in this game.
One enemy remaining.
Yo, just go.
That boy just got put in the Yodi gland.
Face your fear!
Hold on. Wait, we going?
I got their fade.
Let's see.
One flower.
One
Dead.
dead.
Swinging or 60. Give me 3.
Let's go see.
Oh, 40.
It's an art.
40 on the cam. If you guys just fight the cam.
There's at 100 in total.
Let's go.
Could be ditch.
Oh, he's in that. In
Secret.
Planning.
This is Odin. This is Odin.
Yes, he's done.
Nice, good run.
There's one art.
Nice shot. Slide in his ass. See? Show him. Yes! GG! Hey guys, if you enjoyed that video, watch this next one. And also, don't forget to follow my Twitch stream and watch me live. I'm live every single day, and the link is in the description. Alright, I'll see you guys there. Bye, guys.